Before we get started, today's video is brought to you in part by Squarespace. So if you guys need a website, you need to check out Squarespace. All right, man, what's up with what's glorious, guys? You know what time it is? We made it to Atlanta, where the players play. Shout out that boy Luda, especially when you have the two fro like pigtail. Yeah, that's my favorite Luda. Anyways, guys, we're outside of in-town Thrift. So we're gonna begin this trip to the Thrift in ATL. All right, dude, they are knocking music in this store. It's huge. We've looked through most of it. They really don't have all that much in here, but yeah, it definitely is a whole vibe. Like, look at the artwork, baby.
This is what you interpret it to be.
Dude, they got that 3-year-old collage sweater. Bro, perfect for the fall time. You got the Pilgrim swag pumpkins. Then on the back, you got the all knit 100% yarn crocheted turkey. Bro, get out of town, clown. That's a fireball. Jesus. Guys, I found one, man. You got this crazy 90s melted crayon looking vibe on this little vesticle. I think I'm gonna get it. I just love the colors, and it's $5. Let's go. All right, guys, I thought I'd only find one thing in that store. Boy, was I sorely mistaken. As I was checking out, guys, I found some Pure Money 4s for my boy right here. Yeah, small feet, small socks. And I also found some beautiful feather earrings. I always check out Thrift for the unique ear accessories. Very beautiful, diamonds sparkling, shining in the light. And I got some Jordan 1s that are right there on the pavement. So yeah, dude, in-town Thrift, what a success. There it is. And secured. All right, guys, so after an absurdly long break, we're going to the second store of the day, which is a giant Goodwill. I actually do believe I've been in here before. I'm not sure though. It's just after a while, all these Goodwills start looking familiar. So let's hop in. All right, guys, we jumped in here. This store is humongous, but yeah. I got something, man. I went through basically everything in here, which is pretty sad that this is the only thing I found, but it is very crispy cocaine white, baby. Thing looking like some Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip. It's the Boston Red Sox Okajima jersey right there. So very unique name. A unique price of $3. I love it. Gotta get it. Oh. Stroke my cactus. Guys, so we got the one find at Goodwill, and we proceeded to Smyrna or SMYRNA thrift store. So we'll see what's up in here, man. Hopefully something amazing. All right, guys, we're already in here and have the ultimate collab, dude. The Patagonia times the fishes that get you hella bitches. You know what time it is? $4. I think so. Oh, guys, and we got one. It's Ralph level. I love, as you guys can see, nice little plaid flannels, and you have a Polo Ralph Lauren one. I got this like green one on. I don't have a red variety, so that is a must-have in any wardrobe. Dude, easily one of the best mascots in NCAA, the Carolina Cox. Perfect. Guys, man, I'm trying to match the Coke Bear. They got that codeine Fila fleece with all types of vomit stains. Mom spaghetti. Mom spaghetti. All over it. That is gross. Ew. So gross. Oh, dude, you got a swagged out Elmo over there. I swear my Thrift vision be hidden. It's right there. Just look at this guy. Look at it. Oh, man. Guys, this is something that I think my friend would want. They have the Closet Nothing But Harley Davidson Roswell, Georgia crew neck. Beautiful back to it. Our native culture.
It's like 8X.
You won't know till you throw it on. Dude, they are taxing on this piece though. Oh man, $19. They are tripping.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
Oh my God. The Essential Nike white tag. $13. Oh my God. Can we stop with the absurdity, bro?
Trippy.
Dude, this is hard, but they are taxing. Meanwhile, in the fishes to get you hella bitches department, you got the bass car shirt. Bro, the ultimate collab, bro. NASCAR, race something, splash. Bro, that's hard. Now high key, bro, we got a whole thrift fit. Like Patagonia hat, bass car shirt, and the flannel up top. Come on. Dude, so I don't even think I introduced him. The homie Matt is in the building. You already know what time it is. But he found this beautiful Nautica jacket. $15. Guys, it has the Nautica flag on one sleeve, Nautica on the other. Beautiful buttons, and it's reversible. Wow. Jeez. Yo, Matt just plucked a gem with this little mini Taz, and he is battery operated. This dude is heavy. Wow, this thing is sick. Guys, look at this. They have a Mickey Mouse Dixie cup dispenser. Dude, this thing is fire. So yeah, you put the cups in the waterfall and then you just slide them out, and yeah, nice little accoutrement for that. This is only $1. I don't know what I would do with it though, so I am going to leave it behind. Guys, bags. One word, bags. All right, so we're pulling up out of there. We got hella heat in the first store or third store of the day, baby. This one definitely smacked on a different level. You got Nautica jackets, hella fishes to get you hella bitches gear. Blessings, guys. Blessings. All right, guys, we just hopped into another store, and I got some beautiful Jordan ones that aren't beautiful, but they will be when they become planters. And then we got a crazy Columbia jacket. Wait, bro, hold up. Look at this piece, bro. Aqua 8 colorway, green interior, purple accents. $10, not too bad. Let's get it. Hey, we also got some clean little Nautica shorts in the built-in. Not too bad. Thread count crazy. Bro, if they take the R out, this brand name is just bitches. Great outdoors. Trippy. Dang, that Virginia Tech swimming jacket. They went in embroidering that little Jean. Hey, we got a couple other little scoops in here. You got the big golden pony on this polo long sleeve, and then you got the iced out Christmas sweater, bro, all over print. That's crazy, man. You got all types of fauna outside. Yo, that is a must cop. Yeah, that color blocking goes off. That's like classic 90s color blocking right here, boy. Damn, so gorgeous. Bro, the plush section. Wow, I can't even speak. Save him, please. Let him out, bro. He needs to breathe. He needs to breathe. Oh my God. Yeah. Instacop, bro. They also have this fire $2 Winnie the Pooh with the sun hat. Brand new attacks. Let's go, man. Christopher Robin. What happened to you, dude? Abandoning Pooh? That's my shit now. All right, we're outside the last store for this adventure today. It's Value Village, or I don't even know, Lulu Village. Hey, get your sign right. All right, once again, man, we're in here. And shout out Flan Nash. For all of y'all who know what I'm referring to, you a real OG. Bruh, they have the Pendleton Made in USA virgin wool. Beautiful flannel. Looks like the moss, low-key. We're having a nice little meal on this sleeve. But, wow, that is a beautiful, beautiful piece. And it has like the tortoise shell buttons right there. I love it. Oh, yeehaw, man. Got that little Wrangler piece too, daddy. Wow.
I'm comfortable in Wrangler.
Oh man, guys, flavor up your coffee. You got the Polo Sportsman Polo Sport Jacket. Nice little vanilla creamer colorway. $18.69. Oh, tripping. They're out of their minds for that, dude. They are smoking cock. But then you also have the Polo Made in US of A. Nice little bagel color scheme. Look at that patchwork, man. I don't know if I'll get this or not. It's like $7. Little plain. God, I wish you were affordable, man. Damn. Guys, this is one of the toughest sweater vests I've ever seen. Sweater loft with the bears and the bear buttons. Oh man, they going off a sweater loft. Bruh. That's glorious. And speaking of glorious, if you guys would like to build a glorious website, do so with Squarespace. You guys already know they show love and sponsor today's video. So when someone shows love, I gotta show love back. Now Squarespace is a perfect place to build an online store. Like their online store building features on their website are super clean and easy. You don't need to know how to code. You just gotta click a couple of buttons and you are in business, papa. Also, man, they have some cool ass like features. They got this traffic overview feature so you guys can see the trends in your page visits and optimize your page or website to gear it towards your clientele. And they also have an email campaign feature where you guys can get the emails, collect them things, and then directly reach out to everyone who will be visiting your website, which is super convenient and very helpful. So again, man, I don't do too many sponsorships, only shit that I feel like is relevant. In this day and age, man, you need a website for your business, or if you're trying to start your own business and need a store, again, a great place to go, GI bro. So yeah, man, shout out Squarespace. I appreciate you guys. Again, squarespace.com/PaulCan2. Get that free trial, get that 10% off, daddy. That simple, keep it popping like a pimple, baby. Hey man, I appreciate all you guys dropping these comments too. You know what time it is. They are hilarious to read. I've been on the road a lot. I'm finally back home, but all the videos of this road trip in SneakerCon Atlanta are gonna be dropping in quick succession. So yeah, peace out, and I'll catch y'all next time. We're locked and loaded, and we're gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get